Good day everyone, I am Cruose and for this video, I will cover the Flipclock widget I made. Seen from your screen is the Flipclock Studio, where you can edit the widget's colors to match your personal taste. This is the free version, where only the standard Notion colors are available, along with 2 text colors. However, if you want to access a robust range of colors, you can buy the Pro version, where you can fully customize the colors of your Flipclock and its text. Now, let's first go over the free version. First, you can trigger between dark mode and light mode to visualize your widget. Next, you can choose any of the 10 standard Notion colors as you can see here. You may also change the text between white and black. Now, if you trigger dark mode, the colors will automatically change to match the standard Notion colors. Now that we've finally chosen a good color combination, let's now try to copy the widget link and go to my test page. To use the widget, just paste the link and click embed. As you can see, the widget is customizable in size to ensure a perfect fit for your template. So now, let's compare it to the Pro version. Just like the free version, it features dark mode support. But apart from that, it also has a wide range of colors. Here, I could change the brightness and the hue of the color. Additionally, you may also change the hex code, whatever suits you best. Once done, you can just copy-paste the link to your page and embed. And just to prove that the clock is accurate, let me show you my computer's time. And as you can see, it matches the widget. That is all for this video and thank you for watching.